Today, we're diving deep into the heart of one of the most enigmatic places on Earth, the Bermuda Triangle. But before we embark on this journey, let me pose a question to you. What if I told you there's a place on our planet where ships and planes mysteriously vanish without a trace, where compasses go haywire, and where strange lights and phenomena are reported? Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? Well, this place actually exists, and it's called the Bermuda Triangle. But what is the truth behind the Bermuda Triangle? Is it really a dangerous place to travel through, or is it just a myth? In this video, we'll try to answer some of the most common questions and theories about the Bermuda Triangle, and see if we can separate fact from fiction. Let's get started. What is the Bermuda Triangle? The Bermuda Triangle is a loosely defined region in the western North Atlantic Ocean, known for alleged mysterious disappearances of ships and aircraft. It is marked by vertices in Miami, Bermuda, and San Juan, but its reputation is largely fueled by myths and unverified stories. The term was coined by writer Vincent Gaddis in 1964, who claimed that this area was the site of numerous unexplained disappearances of ships and aircraft. Since then, the Bermuda Triangle has become a popular topic for books, documentaries, movies, and TV shows, sparking the imagination of millions of people around the world. Where, exactly, is the Bermuda Triangle? The Bermuda Triangle is a roughly triangular area that connects the southern U.S. coast, Bermuda, and the Greater Antilles in the North Atlantic Ocean. It covers an area of about 500,000 square miles, roughly the size of Alaska. However, the exact boundaries of the Bermuda Triangle are not clearly defined, and they vary depending on who is talking about it. Some people include the entire Caribbean Sea, while others only focus on a smaller area. The Bermuda Triangle is also not a designated shipping or flight route, so there is no official record of how many vessels or planes pass through it. Therefore, the location of the Bermuda Triangle is not fixed, but rather subjective and arbitrary. What is the scientific mystery behind the Bermuda Triangle? Some scientists have proposed natural explanations for the disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle, such as rogue waves, magnetic anomalies, methane hydrates, or human error. Rogue waves are massive waves that can reach heights of up to 100 feet and destroy ships and planes. Magnetic anomalies are variations in the Earth's magnetic field that can affect compasses and navigation systems. Methane hydrates are deposits of frozen gas that can erupt from the seafloor and create bubbles that can sink ships or ignite in the air. Human error is the most common cause of accidents and mishaps, especially in complex and stressful situations. However, none of these explanations have been conclusively proven, and they do not account for all the disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle. The scientific mystery behind the Bermuda Triangle is that there is no mystery, but rather a lack of evidence, investigation, and verification. Do planes fly over the Bermuda Triangle? Yes, planes regularly fly over the Bermuda Triangle without incident. Despite its mysterious reputation, the area does not pose unique dangers, and commercial and private aircraft routinely traverse it. The idea of the Bermuda Triangle being perilous is largely a result of myths and sensationalized stories rather than actual increased risk. According to the U.S. Coast Guard and the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, there is no evidence that the Bermuda Triangle is any more dangerous or anomalous than any other large, well-traveled area of the ocean. In fact, the number of disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle is comparable to other regions with similar traffic density and weather conditions. Most of the alleged disappearances can be explained by human error, mechanical failure, bad weather, piracy, or other natural causes. Was Flight 19 ever found? One of the most famous cases of disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle is that of Flight 19, a group of 5 U.S. Navy torpedo bombers that vanished on December 5, 1945, during a routine training exercise. The flight leader, Lieutenant Charles Taylor, reported that his compass was malfunctioning and that he was lost. He also said that he could not see the land or the sun, and that everything looked strange. The last radio transmission from Flight 19 was a garbled message that said, "We can't find west. Everything is wrong. We can't be sure of any direction. Everything looks strange, even the ocean." After that, Flight 19 was never heard from again. A search and rescue plane that was sent to look for them also disappeared, along with its 13 crew members. No trace of the 6 planes or the 27 men aboard them was ever found, despite an extensive search that involved hundreds of ships and planes and covered thousands of square miles. The disappearance of Flight 19 remains one of the greatest mysteries of aviation history and has inspired many theories and speculations. Some people believe that Flight 19 encountered a UFO, a wormhole, a time warp, or a paranormal phenomenon. Others suggest that Flight 19 was a victim of a rogue wave, a magnetic anomaly, a methane bubble, or a secret weapon. However, none of these theories have been proven, and the fate of Flight 19 is still unknown. And there you have it, the Bermuda Triangle, a place where fact and fantasy collide, leaving us with more questions than answers. What do you believe? I want to hear your thoughts in the comments below. But for now, with that said, thanks for joining us on this thrilling adventure into the unknown. Until next time, stay curious, stay adventurous, and keep exploring the mysteries that make our world truly extraordinary. Thanks for watching.